Hi everyone, have you ever tried tandoori Shezwan momos at home? So today I am going to show you this recipe. Myself Amida welcomes you in Non-Veg Indian Cuisine channel. The video is little bit lengthy but it's worth watching. So do try this recipe and now let's begin. Here in a mixing bowl I am taking a cup of all-purpose flour. Now I am adding a teaspoon of salt and a few drops of oil would go in. Now rub the oil into the flour and now gradually add water and knead a soft dough. Now you can see our dough is ready over here. Now cover and keep the dough to rest for half an hour. And now for the filling of the momos, here I am taking 100 grams of chicken minced. I am adding half a teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of white pepper, followed by a teaspoon of chopped garlic. Now I am adding in a teaspoon of soy sauce. Now mix it well, cover the lid and keep this mince to marinate for half an hour. Now in the meanwhile in a saucepan I am taking a teaspoon of oil. Now once the oil heats up, add one small chopped shallot. Now saute for a while and now add the marinated mince. And now saute the mince until the chicken mince changes the color and the water evaporates and the mince dries up fully. Now you can see in the video the mince should be as much as dry. You can see. Now add the cilantro stems and turn the flame off. And now on the other hand, in a mixing bowl I am taking half a teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of chaat masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black salt, nearly 2 teaspoon of tandoori chicken masala would go in. Now I am adding in nearly 3 teaspoon of Shezwan chutney into the bowl. Now I am adding in half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now nearly 1 cup of thick curd would go in. Now give it a quick mix. And now our tandoori Shezwan masala is ready over here. I am also adding in a pinch of orange red food color to give all the momos a tandoori color as those you see in the restaurant. Now mix it well and keep it aside. Now after half an hour our dough is ready here. Now place the dough over the working surface and give it a good knead. Now divide the dough in 12 equal portions. Now take one portion and start rolling out. Start rolling out into small round sheet. The sheets should be as thin as possible. Now fill in a teaspoonful of chicken mince in between and start making plates around and give it a shape of momo. Now here I am giving round shape. You can give any shape. It's totally depend on your choice. Now once it's done, at this stage you can steam the momos in the steamer and serve them well with momo chutney. Here I am repeating the process. Just roll out the sheet, fill in the chicken mince, start making plates. And now you can see I had already prepared some of the momos. And now deep fry all the momos in hot oil for a couple of seconds and do not allow the momos to change their colors. Just fry for a couple of seconds and remove from the oil. Now at this stage you can serve these momos as fried momos with momo chutney too. Now coat all the momos in the prepared tandoori Szechuan masala. And now skewer the momos in the skewer. Please do this process very gently, otherwise the momos could break down. Now the skewers are ready. Now roast all the momos directly over a gas flame, or if you have tandoor at home you can do this process in tandoor as well, or simply grill them in the pan and serve hot with momo chutney. So guys, do subscribe if you really like these recipes and don't forget to press bell icon. Once again, thanks for watching my video. Please watch this video fully and give it a like. So until next video, bye. Allah Hafiz.